What if I can say you can earn $400 to $500 per month or per day by just typing online names? How cool! You don't need to imagine. That's a possible way. Today I will show you how you can earn just by typing simple names. You can earn 15 to $30 per page. And how is it possible? So today's video I am going to show you how you can earn this money and how you can make $400 to $500 per month. So if you haven't subscribed, just go and click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon. Okay, so let me tell you how it works. Just for example, if you type a name like Jennifer, if you type Jennifer, they pay you. If you type another name, they will pay you again. That's boom. How that's its work? It means every time you type a single name, you will get paid in cents. So you can. But what if you type the whole page? Means 110 and thousands words per page. Then imagine how much you can earn from it. That's the way that it's works. So I will show you all this. It means by this way you can earn by per page $15 to $75. It means if you can earn per month by, it means what if you type 13 pages in a month? It means regularly you type a one page, in per page you earn $75. It means how much you can earn per month? It means you can earn $300 per month. Just little bit, you need to do a little bit effort. You have to just take your seeds by eating some junky foods, and you have to just typing simple words. The more you type, the more you earn. So more you earn, more you will be happy. I think so. And the best thing is that there is no limit. As much you type, as much you earn. What if you type it? What if you work 24 hours or 10 hours? You type it 330 pages a day. It means how much you can earn? $115 per day. So it's all upon you. What you will type, how much time you will give, how much time you can work, so you will earn. It means more names, more pages you are going to type, and you are going to earn. You can do the same thing on your phone. So today I will show you all this. And let me clear you, this opportunity is 100% legit, and no matter where you are in a USA, UK, in an Asian country, or somewhere else in the world, or somewhere else in the deep ocean, you can earn it, because it is a worldwide opportunity and it is 100% legit. So don't miss the whole process how you can earn. So I will show you step by step, because it is a little bit tricky, and in this video I will give you a bonus tip that will help you to earn more. It means double X your profit. So I will show you, so stay tuned with me. If you haven't subscribed, just go click on a subscribe button. So finally, here is our website, a website name called Talentdesire. So here you can earn easily. That I will show you. Here lots of jobs are there, but today's video we are going to focus on typing, online typing words. So you can earn. There are lots of jobs. You can transcription, do content writing jobs, online paid service jobs, even yes, you can do affiliate marketing. There are bunches of jobs are there, but today we are going to focus on online typing job. So let me show you another thing. That thing is calculate per page earning. It means how much you are going to earn from per page. Okay, here I selected a random value of 0.050. Okay, 50, and that's a per word value. And what if you type in a one page 300 words? It means you can earn estimated $15 per page. What if you just type 10 pages a day by spending your 2 hours or 3 hours? Then you will earn $150. That's how is it work. So let me show you how the whole site is going to work, what is the process, and what is the bonus step. So here are the levels and lists per words. Okay, here is the beginner level, intermediate level, professional level, experts level. So what you're gonna be do? What if you select a beginner level and you can earn 0.0010 per price word? It means you can earn $3 when you type 300 per page. And there's also a intermediate level, professional level, expert level. Choose what level you wanted to choose. Even here is a per page rate. What if you earn a per page and you typed 15 pages in per day, or you work 6, or it means you earn $45. What if you earn per page $6 and you typed in 15 pages? It means you can earn almost $19 per day. That's enough for you. It means what you divided, how much you can generate per month income, it means nearby to the 1990. It means near to $1,000 per month you can earn easily. It's all upon you how you will work, how you will earn it. So I will again tell you, it is a very good opportunity and it's all free. You don't have to pay a single penny for it. So now let me show you a bonus tip how you can earn in a beginner level is a expert level earning. How is it possible? So I will show you a website that's called retatype.com. So here you can just get your typing test. You can do your typing test just by doing this typing free, and you can do it by just typing. So you can by typing. And why am I saying to you have to type on this? You can typing on any tutor. No, this site will going to pay you. So this site is going to give you a certificate, and that certificate will help you to earn more as you can as a expert level, because just you need to sign up in this site and they will give your typing test, and they will give you a typing certificate, and that typing certificate you can easily print out or download it. Now just you have to click on apply online, that's red icon color button. Whenever you click on apply button, there's a page appear. So here you can see the select an application form. You have to now just click on this red icon and select an application form. Now here you will see a page appear. If the page doesn't appear, then you have to refresh your page and then it will be open again. Okay, now you can click on online application form. Now you have to click on and fill in your details to apply and work with us. So there's a page appear. Here you can fill your whole forms. So first of all, you need to agree to accept. You have to accept their policies and their conditions. Okay, now you have to type your first name, then last name, then you have to add your valid email, and then you have to add your valid contact number, and then you have to select your country where you are. You're from United States, United Kingdom, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, or Philippines, or somewhere else, New Zealand. Select what country from you are. You have to just select that country, and now in a comment, tell me in a comment box that which countries you belong to. And so I will see my audience is coming from which country. So you have to also type your zip code. You can easily get your zip code by just going to a Google. Just open your google.com, like just type zip code of US. Here I got a zip code of United States. Here in United States you can see California's zip code, and you have to just search on your city and a country and you will get your zip code, and that's simply by just going on a Google. After filling all you have to prefer your job, like you have to add a title online typing job, and then you have to select time, which time is best for you, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., 9 a.m. to 6. I will suggest you select all day, because here the whole world is in a lockdown, so you are free on the whole day. But if you're not free, just select all day, because whenever you're free you will do it. And then now you have to select your best way to receive earning, PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, Skrill. You have to select what payment method is available in your country, what you can select. I will recommend you to select PayPal, and then you have to select current profession status, what you are, you're a housewife, you're a student, retired. I will suggest you select in a self-employed. You have to just select, then you have to yes you have to select it, click on this yes, because you have read all the agreements and the terms and conditions, and then you have to fill the captcha, I'm not robot, then you have to just submit, and your sign up is application form will complete, and they will review you and they will give you a feedback. Now it's all upon you. Will you earn $15, $10? It's all upon you how good is your work, you are, how passionate you are going to be about your work. That's all works. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, just go and click on the subscribe button, and that's okay. Smash this bell icon. So I will see you in another video with another ideas.